You have to give yourself permission to be successful and get rid of your can'ts. Success comes in cans, all kinds, especially the one up here. Now, if you don't believe you can, then it can't happen. You have to believe you can do it first. Even though you don't know how to do it, you have to believe that you can learn how to do it. Once you give yourself permission to be successful, wonderful things happen. Get rid of your can'ts. I am what's called a verbal learner. When it comes to mathematics and quantitative classes like that, my brain is not well developed in that direction. Does it mean I can't? I just have to give myself permission to learn it, get the proper skills for learning mathematics, for example, and then apply them over and over and over, and I can do well in math. No offense to anybody, I still don't like math. My brother's the engineer, he loves it, okay. But I can learn it. But my love is more for verbal classes. So even though you may hate a subject, you can still get an A, or you can still do well in it, just by taking the proper tools and using it. I mean, for example, you may hate building a house, but if you have the proper tools and supplies and directions, you can build a house. You don't have to like it, but you can do a good job.